Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the sleek sophistication and raw power of the new Porsche 911. Strap in, because this is going to be an exciting ride. The 2024 Porsche 911 is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement of speed, elegance and pure engineering mastery. The first thing you notice is its iconic design. The smooth curves, the aggressive stance and that unmistakable rear end. It's a design that's been refined over decades, and it's never looked better. Under the hood, you've got a beast of an engine. The base model comes with a 3.0-litre twin turbocharged flat six, pushing out 379 horsepower. But if you crave even more power, the 911 Turbo S takes it up a notch with a staggering 640 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. But it's not just about raw power. Porsche has always been about the driving experience. The new 911 features an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension and rear axle steering. These technologies work together to provide unparalleled handling and stability, whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads. And let's talk about the interior. Porsche has truly outdone themselves here. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and functionality. You've got high-quality materials everywhere you look, from the supple leather seats to the sleek aluminum trim. The 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and packed with features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's a customizable digital instrument cluster that keeps you informed and in control. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The new 911 comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even night vision. It's designed to keep you safe without taking away from the thrill of driving. But what really sets the Porsche 911 apart is how it makes you feel. It's more than just a car. When you get behind the wheel, you're not just driving. You're experiencing a legacy. A legacy of precision engineering, performance and passion. In conclusion, the new Porsche 911 is a marvel of modern automotive engineering. It perfectly balances speed and elegance, power and poise. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the 2024 Porsche 911 is sure to impress. So what do you think? Is the new 911 a dream car for you too? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.